Dorico 6 introduces cycle playback, allowing you to loop a selection of your music during playback. Let's take a look. The easiest way to set these cycle locators, which will determine which portion of your music will loop, is to use the jump bar. Select the music you would like to loop, press J to open the jump bar, and type Set Cycle Locators from Selection, and hit Return. You can also set the left and right locators separately. The commands are found in the Play menu, and you can assign your own key commands if you wish. You can also drag the handles at the top of the locators to your desired position. You can quickly show or hide the locators from the View Options button on the toolbar. Enable cycle playback by activating the button on the toolbar. The locators will light up purple, indicating that looping is enabled. Now, when you play back, as it reaches the right locator, the playhead will instantly jump back to the left locator and continue. You can make edits during cycle playback, and these will be heard on the next part of the music. You can set a key command to start playback from the position of either locator. This can be really useful even if you're not planning on using cycle playback, as you might want to know you can always start playback from a specific point in the flow without having to select it first. And that's cycle playback in Dorico 6. Very simple, but it can be a really useful feature when you're iterating on an idea, checking the music is exactly as you want, or working in the key editor. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.